Welcome all. Today we are going to learn about set theory. Georg Cantor, a German mathematician, was the father of set theory. Though the idea of sets is very old, yet it can be considered as the language of the present modern mathematics. So first of all we'll learn about what is set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. The objects may be anything. It can be numbers, letters, people, states, months, etc. The objects are called the elements or members of the set. For example, A is equal to 1, 3, 9, 12. A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. It is a set of vowels of the English alphabets. Or the third example, if you see, it is a set of even numbers less than 12. And it's written as B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then, what are the different types of sets? Finite set. Finite set, it is a set consisting of finite number of elements. That is, we can count the number of elements present in the set. For example, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 4 elements in the set. And all the elements are even numbers. Then, what is infinite set? It is a set consisting of infinite number of elements. Like here, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinity. Then, what is called a singleton set? A set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. Here, in the example, B is equal to A. The set B comprises of only one element. Then, what is called the null set or empty set? The set which has no element is called a null set or an empty set and is usually denoted by the Greek letter phi. For example, natural numbers less than 1. Then, what is called equal set or identical set? Two sets are said to be equal or identical if they contain the same elements. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 4, 3, 2, 1. These two sets can be said to be identical as they contain the same elements. Then, what is a subset? If each element of set A belongs to set B, then A is said to be a subset of B. For example, if B is equal to 1, 2, 3, then the subset of B will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So, today we will conclude here. Thank you.